Right, all I'm going to quickly do is just show you how you can polish these up. Now, obviously that's the front of the pipe, that's what's on show. So all I'm going to do is do the back side there, look. Right. This is just a dead cheap bench grinder with an attachment on that I've had for God knows how long. These are various waxes you can get for alloy. I'll show you the difference between using that and T-cut. I'm just going to use these safety specs because I don't want anything flying in my face. So like I say, I'm going to just do backside. So we'll do a little bit there without any. This is without any polish on. Although there will be some polish still on the mop. Oh, that was a bad place to do it because it's been. I didn't see that. Now, like I say, there's probably a bit of polish on the mop from the other times I've used it. You don't have to do it dead hard, but as you can see, look, you can definitely see there's a shiny bit there. So what I'll do is I'll just put a bit of T-cut on. I'll put the T-cut there. Right. So that's just the mop on its own without any polish, but like I say, there's probably still some polish on the mop. This is a bit of T-cut there, look. As you can see, there's a little bit of thing. Right, what I'll do now is I'll just do a bit of polish. And I'll do that a little bit further on, I'll do it here. So you can clearly see there's 3 spots where I've done it. Now I might just give it a quick blitz over the full lot, but I'm not going to go to town on it because it's a bit rough anyway, look where it's been ground down and stuff. So I might just give it a quick blitz over just to tidy it up a little bit. So I'll get back to you.